Hello guys, in this tutorial you will learn how you can export chats or conversations on Duck AI in 2026. So let us guide you through this. So guys, for this method you will need to access your chat on Duck AI first. Let me go with that example chat here about the weather forecast for Barcelona, Spain, end of April, just for the sake of the tutorial. So what you want to do guys is, that's option number one, is scroll all the way down to the bottom of the current conversation and click into this button, export chat. You will see that button only at the bottom of the conversation, not under responses provided by Duck AI here somewhere in the middle of the conversation. So we need to scroll down to the very bottom, click into it, and after that you will see the chat being exported in TXT file format, so that you may navigate to your download folder and save it from there on your device. Option number two would be to click into these three dots next to the chat in the chat list on the left hand side. If you don't see the sidebar, enable it here and click into download, and that will do the same. So guys, that's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.